Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Bluetooth on your iPhone and fix connection issues fast. So if your Bluetooth isn't working with headphones, your car, or speakers, don't worry. There are a few easy ways to fix it. Let's start with the quickest method. First, open the Settings app and tap on Bluetooth. Now simply toggle Bluetooth off, wait about 5 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes your connection and fixes most minor issues instantly. Now try reconnecting your device and see if it works. If that didn't fix it, here's the next step. In the Bluetooth menu, find the device you're having trouble with and tap the small eye icon next to it. Scroll down and tap Forget this device. Then confirm. After that, put your device back into pairing mode and reconnect it like it's new. This basically resets the connection completely and often solves deeper issues. Still not working? Let's do a full Bluetooth reset. Go. Back to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this will also reset your Wi-Fi passwords and network settings. Enter your passcode and let your iPhone reset. Once it's done, there's one final step I recommend. Do a quick force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And that's it. Now your Bluetooth is fully reset and should be working properly again.